What's up, AI Mad Scientist? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to set up or what is exactly an AI operating system. Now, I've created an AI operating system for my agency, and for the last 3 to 4 months now, I've been using my system. I've been giving my students, they've been using it in their system, and it has saved me a ton of time. So, let's go ahead and jump into what exactly is an AI operating system and why your agency needs one right now. So, first thing, this is a 5-part video series. There's going to be 5 parts to it. You're obviously in part number 1. We're going to be breaking down everything. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually audit your business for an AI audit to see what it's missing, to see what it needs to be done so that you can actually create the different things that you're going to need, which move into the next one is creating different skills. We've got a full script framework that I'm going to be showing you on how to create skills step by step. The next one, we're going to be showing you how to set up co-work as your daily driver. Now, really, when you look at Claude Code, it's great for building, but when you want to actually work in your business, once everything's created, you're going to be using Claude Cowork a lot for that, and I'm going to show you how. And in the final video, I'm going to show you how to launch everything and actually train any of your staff that you're not actually replacing with the system, how to use it. So let's go ahead and jump into the first video. So this is the amount of work that I'm actually saving now. I used to have a team that was 6 to 8 people. It'd roughly be 10 to 20K a month in salary that was going out to it. And now, with the help of an AI agency OS or an operating system, I've actually been able to take every one of those positions and replace them with Claude Code and Claude Cowork skills. These are everything from ads to social media to videos, you name it. Everything I do pretty much now, I've been able to create a skill with that now I can just tell Claude Cowork, hey, do X, and it will just take over that whole skill, whether it's gathering new leads, whether it's reaching out to a prospect list, literally whatever it is, we can decide inside your operating system whatever your agency is missing so that you're able to call upon these skills and be able to leverage your time back. So what this operation system is, this is not a chatbot. This isn't a collection of random tools or a course that you're going to figure out or some other SaaS subscription. Now, I am doing a free challenge. You're going to see right down below that starting September 1st, here is where you can sign up. That it's going to be a free challenge showing you each day what we're doing here. Now, in these YouTube videos, I'm going to be giving you a great overview and showing you the basics. But if you want to get down to the nitty gritty and actually build alongside me, that's right, September 1st, that whole week, I'm going to be showing you hands-on how you can create step-by-step your entire AI agency OS. And so this is custom skills built for your business. Now, that is part of the audit that you're going to be learning about tomorrow, about how you're able to actually analyze your current business and see what skills are going to be most beneficial to be able to leverage back your time and your actually leverage money back now because you're not using it on, let's be honest, job titles that aren't there needed anymore. Now, who needs a designer anymore? You can pretty much with AI out there now create any image that you could ever want for a video. For just some of our clients, we were making some ads the other day that were furniture ads of these monkey pod consoles that are cut from trees, really cool stuff. But the thing was, we were able to now set up a full design studio of it, being able to render all these pieces and make them in professional settings and different styles and all different stuff like this that literally would have taken weeks to have set up. We would have had to actually get the actual pieces set up, bring them to the studio, get lighting, and be able to take full product display shots of them. Now with AI, we just slash command, drop the picture in and say, hey, make a ad with this. Basically, there's more to it than that. And it just makes a full gambit of all the different types of ads, all the different campaigns, everything we need just right there on demand. And that's just one of the many type of powerful skills you're going to be able to create for your AI agency OS. So these are the different sort of departments that we're going to be covering along the way. First one's really going to be your operations. It's going to be like reports, finances, onboarding, invoicing people, stuff like that. Then you've got your sales, which are like a proposal, your follow-up, and your outreach. You've got marketing, which again is like ad copy, email, sales funnels. This one in my own operating system. And I'm going to be breaking that down for you in the actual next video where I'm going to show you a full walkthrough my own operating system and show you how it works. And then you've got customer service and fulfillment. These are the 5 departments we're going to be focusing on when we're creating your own AI agency OS starting September 1st or starting June 1st. And then we'll be able to have, by the end of the week, you'll have your own AI operating system set up and ready to go. Again, that is a free 5-day challenge. It's at 9 a.m. starting June 1st. Again, the link to watch or to join is down below. So the AI OS method, there's really 3 phases for every client. Every time you're going to use it, you're going to audit that system, determine what the client's needing. You're then going to use the script to be able to create all the different skills that they need and deliver your complete AI OS personally trained for every team member that you need. So their team's environment, we'll be setting this up as well too. We'll be showing you how to set up morning routines, end-of-day routines, as well as any other systems. For my own operating system, I actually have it that for LinkedIn, it will go out and actually grow my whole LinkedIn account on autopilot. It actually goes through all my current contacts. It will message them with whatever offer or whatever promotion or whatever I am. Right now, I've got it in a 5-part nurture series. We warm them up. The first 3 are engagement. And then after it engages with them, it will actually start pitching them in message 4 and 5 for the current offer that I have. Then what it does, if someone's not a contact, it then scans for my ideal customer profile, all of LinkedIn. It then gives me 3 different tiers. There's A tier, B tier, and C tier. And then for each one, depending if they're depending on what their criteria they hit are for the people I'm trying to reach out to, it then will rank them accordingly. And then what it does is it reaches out to each people in my A tier. It actually sends them a connection and then follows up with them the next day. It does the same thing I'll go through all the A tier, then all the B tier, and then all the C tier, completing the connection loop. So once it connects with someone, it then at that point will actually go and message that person, and it keeps on growing my connections because as on LinkedIn, you have to be able to connect with someone to be able to message them. It also has a variance where every 2 to 8 seconds, it will change up its engagement. So it's more like a human because with automations, if everything's really consistent, LinkedIn will pick up on that and will actually flag your account, as well as it knows how many connections, how many messages, all that different type of stuff that it's able to do so that it doesn't hit any limits and doesn't get flagged for anything. And it does that all on autopilot. Every hour, it will then send me a message and follow up via Telegram and tell me all about it. And that's just one of the skills that I've got set up in my AI agency OS. But this tells you and shows you the power that you can set up with these different skills. You can literally create it to do anything you want. You can even have it take over your computer screen and do everything on another screen for you while you're working or using that computer. It's amazing. You're going to love it.